Now, before we do any subtraction, we have to see if regrouping is needed. And it is clear that regrouping is needed in every place except the 10,000s place. So we cannot have 1 and take away 9, so we have to take a 10 from the 10,000s place. The 8's going to become a 7. The 1's going to become an 11. You can't start out with 0 and take away 5, so we're now taking a 10 from the thousands place. That 11's going to change to a 10. The 0 changes to a 10. Again, you cannot start with 0 and take away 3, so we have to now take a 10 from the hundreds place. That 10 becomes a 9. The 0 becomes a 10. And you can't start with 1, you can't start with 0 and take away 1. So again, we have to take a 10 now from the tens place. So the 0 becomes a 10, and this 10 becomes a 9. Now we are ready to subtract. So starting in the ones place, 10 minus 1 equals 9. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 9 minus 5 equals 4. 10 minus 9 equals 1. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Somebody in the chat said this is boring. This video is to get you better at math. Getting better at something isn't always fun, even when it comes to things you like. I love basketball. I don't like running sprints. But running sprints, it gets me in shape for basketball, so I still do it even though I don't like it. There are some boring things that are necessary. If something's going to get you better, you can't not do it because it's boring. You know, then you're not going to get to an elite level, if that makes sense. But I'm glad you're here. I appreciate you being in the chat and sharing your feedback. Anyways, we have our final answer here. 81,000 minus 49,531 equals 31,469.